how to fix USB connector connected disconnected error on your Android. So if you want to fix the USB connected or disconnected error, then what you need to do is open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down and go with the About Phone option. Under About Phone, you need to go with Software Information, and here you will have your build number. So tap on the build number for 7 times. So once you tap on it, your developer mode will be turned on. Once you've done that, you need to go back and go with the system option. Once you're under the system, scroll down, go with developer options and make sure that it is turned on. And now you need to scroll down and find an option which is USB debugging. Scroll down and you'll find this option in all of your Android devices. So search for USB debugging, which is right here. Once you go with the USB debugging, you need to turn it on and tap on OK. Once you turn it on, now you just need to simply scroll down. Once you scroll down, you'll find an option of show Bluetooth device without names. So just search for that option. Here you will have that option. You just need to simply toggle it on, and you can go with default USB configuration and choose charge only or no data transfer or charge only. You will have charge only option. You just need to simply choose charge only, and once you've done that, you need to go back and you need to restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and restart. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Samsung USB connector connected or disconnected problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.